I'm Manny from the Health and Wellness Lab. Today I'm going to be taking you through the side plank exercise from the ACE Home-Based Maintenance Program. This is an exercise that works on core stability, mostly training your obliques and the side of your abdominals. Make sure to check out the disclaimer on our website before engaging in any exercise. If you have any questions about the side plank or any other exercises, make sure to email us at ace@ucalgary.ca. To do the side plank, you're going to want to find a padded, non-slip surface with additional padding underneath your elbow. You can always roll up the mat to add additional padding for that position. Then you're going to lay on your side with your elbow and your shoulder aligned, your forearm flat on the ground, and your knee firmly planted on the ground. Then to start the movement, you're going to engage your core, lift your hips off the ground to form a straight line, keeping your arm at your side, or raising it straight up if you prefer. Then you're going to hold for a duration that feels comfortable for you, maintaining breathing throughout. Once you finish, slowly lower your hips back to the ground, and that's the side plank. Here are some tips for the side plank, as well as some variations. The first tip is to keep your elbow and shoulder stacked one on top of the other to avoid unnecessary shoulder strain. Secondly, make sure to keep your core fully engaged throughout the movement, avoiding rotation at the shoulders or at the hips. Finally, if you feel like your feet are sliding forwards or backwards, just find a wall and stabilize them by stacking them against the wall. Now some variations. The first variation is from your knees, like so. The second variation is from your feet, with your feet staggered. The third variation is with your feet stacked. And the fourth variation, if you're still feeling up for a challenge, go up and go down and repeat that motion. So these are called hip dips.